So, how was that? Was that good? Welcome. And today we're gonna build the MMD87. So in the background now, you can see me unboxing the keyboard itself. You can also hear how hollow the board is gonna be. Now we're gonna add some foam into the board in order to dampen the sound. So here's the process of me trying to open the keyboard, and there's 8 slots that you have to take out and at least 2 screws. So unfortunately, the video that is supposed to show the foam after it has been done was corrupted, so I can't show you that. The switch we're gonna use is the Akko Rose Red, and it was bought about 2 years ago. Yeah, it was a long time ago. So here's the sound test. Yeah, it sounds good. Alright, so now I'm just preparing to loop the switch, essentially. So a little bit about the project. It has taken me around 5 days, around there, approximately in total of 17 hours. So the project itself was hectic, right? Going up and down, up and down. The first thing that you can see is me trying to loop the switch itself, but the current method of looping is a very quick method. So I've only done the lubricant on the bottom housing. The other lubricant I did was on the springs and stems, but the method I did for that was shaking them in the plastic bags with the lubricant itself, which is not ideal supposedly, but during that time I didn't have much time. During that time I didn't have much time, get it? Okay. Anyway, the other modding that I did was the switch film, which you can see here. However, later down the video you'll see that unfortunately the switch film was too thick for the Akko switch to, you know, fit properly. So eventually I end up taking apart all the switches and then the switch film. Look at myself being so into building it and don't know what's gonna happen to him. Cannot fit leh. Duh. Another unfortunate incident was that the switch wasn't lubed enough. So I had to take apart the switch for the second time and re-lubed it as much as possible. Here's the sound test with the lazy loop. Next is the sound test between my new board and my old board. It was okay, I guess, but it could have been better. From what I heard, I believe that my old board is way better sounding. For other people, maybe not so much, but I like the more creamy sound of a keyboard. So yeah, back to looping. Here's another sound test. So yeah, as you can hear, I looped it so hard that even the spacebar is not giving out any sounds. But yeah, I like the way they sound, at least. It's just my preference, okay? So if you stick around until now, thank you so much for watching. I know it's quite a long video and my voice is quite boring, essentially. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next build, if there's any. Bye-bye!